Find or read reviews that people are talking about. STUODIOFINIX, 2-channel, mini 5.1 Bluetooth, amplifier. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Universal Bluetooth amplifier. Suitable for various brands of wall-mounted speakers, ceiling-mounted speakers, marine speakers, bookshelf speakers, and other passive speakers. Bluetooth 5.1. Built-in Bluetooth 5.1 core, with faster transmission speed, longer transmission distance, and more stable performance, compatible with multiple new and old versions of speakers. Allowing you to enjoy excellent and stable output music anytime, anywhere. Easy to install. Small weight mini amplifier is easy to carry and install. The flat design makes it easy to install on flat surfaces such as walls, ceilings, cabinets, and pre-cut speaker openings for any flat surface in a home, office, professional or custom audio application. TWS connection. TWS amplifiers defining a new standard for wireless music. You can use one amplifier alone to connect to the speakers to play music. You can also use the TWS function to connect two Bluetooth amplifiers to play music at the same time. Switch at will and enjoy your life. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.